Bro, why am I lagging? Oh my god, bro. Bro, this game is so full, man. This game is so full. We do not care. This game is so full, man. This game is so full. I finally let me play. Think of the wood time. Bro, why is my head so buggy? Ayo! Ayo! I got you, homie. Bro, why am I so laggy? Shut up. Gotta under the wood. So I don't be so laggy. Too much. K. I'll never use this in a fireplace. Cause you're stupid. 9-1. Or what is going on?
Attention. This is an important message from the government of Robloxia. We are issuing a severe weather warning for the entire region. A powerful snowstorm is approaching, and it poses a unique and heightened risk. For your well-being, we strongly advise everyone to stay indoors.
Oh my god,
and avoid any
bro.
unnecessary
Hell
travel.
no, man.
Close all windows and doors securely.
Crap.
Do not, under any circumstances, venture outside during the storm.
What are you looking at?
Please cooperate with all directives from local authorities.
Let me just close the door
Thank you for your
quickly.
attention, and stay safe, residents of Robloxia.
It can break all the master can break all the windows. I'm still looking for the master, you bozo. Not here. Right. Oh, I saw it. Take that, bozo. I do not have much time to take out the fireplace. I got you, homie. Take that. Okay, let me see the monster that camera. Never mind. He's not here. I totally forgot. Oh, crap. Bro. The monster appears in 1 a.m. Bro. Come on. Man, I'm scared for sometimes. Oh, crap. What are you gonna do, huh? What are you gonna do, huh? Oh, you're so scary. Crap. Bro, are you serious right now, bro? The monster appeared in 1 a.m. Are you serious right now, bro? I forgot to take the wood. I'm sorry, bro. I forgot to take the wood. To take care of the fireplace. I totally forgot. I need to get a budget first. Let me go alone again. I don't want to go with these people. Because I only play alone. Bro, what are you saying? Bro, what are you saying like that, huh? Yeah, sorry guys, I can't show you my face reveal. So laggy. I need to run out of the fireplace. I don't care you. Bro. Why am I so laggy? I'm playing.
Attention. This is an important message from the
Bro.
government of Robloxia.
Why am I so laggy?
A powerful snowstorm is approaching, and it poses a
I don't care your fireplace, bozo.
For your well-being, we strongly advise everyone to stay indoors and avoid any unnecessary travel.
Crap.
Close all windows and doors securely. Do not, under any
Oh crap.
circumstances, venture outside
It's
during
pretty
the
cold
storm.
here. Outside. It's pretty cold outside.
From local authorities. Thank you for your attention and stay safe, residents of Robloxia.
We do not care. I need to wait for the fireplace. Come on, just run out. Run out! Fast! I need to die. Okay, I'll just look for the monster, I guess. Bro, why did you scare me? Bro, how did you scare me? That's it, I'm healing myself. Where? Oh, I saw it. Yeah. I don't care. Bro! I hate that mustard in the closet. Oh, crap. Oh, 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 oh. That's probably so loud. That thing I got it for an event. That thing I got at our arcade event visit. I totally forgot. I'm not going to play with you, bozos. Man, why is it so chill? This is so chill. Alright, I'm edited the video. So, man. Oops. Wrong game. Change it. And pause it. Alright. Alright, and goodbye.